Two major names in password protection. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, LastPass, one of the most well-known, feature-rich password managers. And on the right, NordPass, modern, secure, and affordable password management. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Okay, let's lay out what we're going to compare to really settle this. First off, pricing and value. Nobody wants to overpay for security, right? Then encryption and security, because, hello, that's kind of the whole point. We'll check out cross-platform support, features and usability, reputation and trust, and finally, how they stack up for families or business teams. Got all that? Let's get started. All right, first up is pricing and value. So LastPass does have a free version, and their family and business plans are there, but honestly, those starting prices, they're a bit stiff. It's $3 a month for personal, and even more if you've got a family or business. Kinda meh. Now, NordPass comes in and just undercuts everybody. Their personal plans are basically half the price, and you still get affordable packages for family and business. Only catch is some features, like sharing, go behind the paywall. But for what you get, NordPass just stretches your dollar way further. Winner here? Yeah, NordPass easily takes it. Next, let's talk security. You know, the stuff that really matters. LastPass does use AES 256 encryption, which is the industry gold standard. They offer dark web monitoring and emergency access, too. But man, you can't ignore those data breaches in the past. That's a pretty big dent. NordPass, on the other hand, they're rocking XChaCha 20 encryption. It's like AES 256, but on steroids, at least according to current experts. Plus, NordPass, as of 2025, is still squeaky clean. No known breaches, and you get email masking. Almost feels like they're being overprotective in a good way. Honestly, NordPass wins here for pure peace of mind. Let's see how they fit into your workflow. Cross-platform support. Both have apps for pretty much everything. Windows, Mac, Linux, Android, iOS, all the major browsers. But here's the catch. LastPass free plan makes you pick mobile or desktop, but not both at once. NordPass does the same, though their free plan lets you switch between devices a bit easier. Honestly, both are rock solid here, so I gotta call this one a tie. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know NordPass uses XChaCha 20 encryption? It's kinda the gold star of cloud security right now, super tough for hackers to crack. Features and usability. Okay, there's a lot happening here. LastPass gives you unlimited password storage, secure notes, and encrypted file storage. Plus, you get one-to-one sharing even on the free plan. But yeah, a lot of the cool stuff is locked away unless you pay extra. And the interface sometimes feels like it's straight out of 2017. NordPass, though, unlimited passwords and files even on free, password health checker, breach scanner, email masking, and all the file storage you could need. Only thing missing? Free plan doesn't do password sharing. So that kinda stings if you're on a budget, but everything else feels just easier and more modern. NordPass edges out here for sure. All right, reputation and trust. This might be the make or break. LastPass is like the old guard. Tons of users, been here forever, but yikes. Those data breaches, especially in 2022, were not a good look. And slow responses made it worse. NordPass, meanwhile, hasn't had a major breach as of 2025, and people really seem to trust their security-first vibe. Sure, they've been around for less time, but honestly, for reputation, I gotta hand this one to NordPass. Let's talk about family and business plans. LastPass is ready. 6 users on family, unlimited for business, plus emergency access. But those prices are seriously up there. NordPass? Same 6-user family option, but for less money, and their business pricing is way more flexible. Super easy management dashboard, though if you have a huge team, you need to contact them directly to set things up. When you compare value and flexibility, NordPass just feels better for groups. So let's just recap with a quick radar chart. NordPass pretty much runs the table in pricing, security, reputation, features, and family/business value. The only spot where LastPass hangs in there is cross-platform support, where both are rock solid. Honestly, LastPass is still feature-packed and has its fans, but in 2025, NordPass feels like the smarter bet. It's just more secure, better value, and hasn't dropped the ball on trust. So if you want peace of mind with your passwords, NordPass is where I'd land. So, What do you think? Would you trust LastPass or NordPass with your digital life? Hit that bookmark because we've got plenty more no-nonsense tech comparisons coming up.